Hey everyone, Andrew here from the Culips English podcast. Today I'm going to introduce you to the common expression, big blowout. Big blowout. A blowout is an argument. So a big blowout is a really big argument. For example, I could say, Tom and Linda, I heard that they got into a big blowout last night. Or another example, I got into a big blowout with my brother last weekend. It was horrible. So this is a common expression. You'll hear it when you watch TV, you'll hear it when you watch movies, and it's a great one to add to your English vocabulary. Okay, that's it for now. Talk to you later. Bye!